episode. Today we will be talking about kinkajous.
Kinkajous live in the rainforest in Mexico and Brazil. They live in captivity for 20 to 40 years, and they live in the wild for 29. They are not endangered at the moment. Kinkajous are golden brown. Adults grow to between 3 to 10 pounds. They are omnivores. Kinkajous have a long tongue, strong hind legs, and a strong tail. They're flexible for climbing over trees.
Kinkajous are nocturnal and arboreal. This means they sleep during the day and they are tree climbers.
On average, kinkajous have one offspring, and the gestation period is 98 to 120 days. Their mating system is unusual. It includes one female and two males.
Their main predators are eagles, jaguars, and humans. The sounds they make to scare them off are barks, chirps, squeaks, nasal grunts, whistles, and clicking.
Fun facts! Kinkajous disperse seeds and pollinate plants. After they eat seeds, they poop them out whole. They're also known as the honey bear because they look like a cub with honey on their face. Babies are blind, deaf, and helpless at birth. They're also known as La Llora, or crying woman. As you walk around the park, make sure to scan all the other QR codes to check out all the cool animals.